My name is Danny Norris. I am an attorney in the Houston area. I am a intellectual property attorney. I also teach a legal research course over at the Law School of Texas Southern University, and I'm the current president for the Houston Lawyers Association. With regards to this conference, there's so many benefits. One of the issues that most people, when they're looking at go to law school, is that they don't know what they don't know. I think this conference, especially particularly African Americans, a lot of us, myself included, were first-generation attorneys. So there's nobody in the family to tell you exactly what to look out for, what to consider. Most times, you're the very first in your family, your community, amongst your friends. So not a lot of resources that would be that are readily available. So conferences like this are crucial to making sure that you get a lot of advice, a lot of direction, a lot of connections that are going to be that are critical. Legal field connections are critical, and there's a whole lot of attorneys that have done a whole lot of things that regularly attend this conference and support it. So conferences like this, I can't even stress how crucial and critical it is, but it definitely is, and it's really just getting going. The ABA, law school admissions going down, and they're even harder hit in the African American community. So conferences like this are going to be even more critical in the days to come than they are currently. So I completely support it, and I hope that everybody else who is able to take advantage takes advantage and continue to contribute to this conference.
My name is Xaviera Webb, and I'm a junior at the University of Alabama, currently double majoring in International Studies and French on the pre-law track. And I decided to come to this conference because, as a member of the Future Black Law Students Association, I just felt like I needed to experience a law school fair that was geared specifically towards Black pre-law students and our unique journey to go to law school. It has been an amazing experience. I've gotten the chance to speak to admissions counselors from schools across the nation. I've also gotten the opportunity to listen to panelists who have offered invaluable advice for not only the law school admissions process, but also life after law school and what it looks like to be Black in the legal profession. I wouldn't trade this experience for anything, simply because I know that it's helped me to achieve my goals of eventually being a Black lawyer.
Hello, my name is Demonica Gladney. I'm a corporate attorney here in Houston, Texas. I'm a past president of the Houston Lawyers Association, and I'm the chief coordinator for the National Bar Association's president for this year. And I'm so excited about this conference. When Evangeline Mitchell launched this conference 10 years ago, it was the answer to many aspiring lawyers' dreams. When I went to law school, I had no knowledge of what I needed to know. I had nobody to consult about what to expect. And this conference is a great opportunity to learn the nuts and bolts of law school, about the admissions process. What do you do once you get into the classroom? Things that you can't figure out on your own. It's not intuitive. So you really have to learn these things before you even get started. When I started in law school, I was behind before I even started my first class because I didn't know these things. And I think this conference gives you the opportunity to meet lawyers who are going where you want to go. And I think so for any aspiring lawyer, if you're thinking about going to law school, this is the place to come. It's a free conference. It has grown. Evangeline has done an excellent job over the past 10 years. And I've met so many law students who've actually gone on to law school, and they've done very well and been very successful because of this conference. So I give it 10 thumbs up. It's a great conference, and I would encourage anyone who's interested in going to law school to make sure that they make this conference a part of their trip to Houston in the future.
Hi, my name is Renata Finney. I am a junior political science major from Spelman College. I'm originally from Chattanooga, Tennessee. I am attending this law fair because I have never seen a Black lawyer. I know they exist and I know they're everywhere, and of course as Black people we are in every space. However, being from Chattanooga, Tennessee, I have never seen a Black lawyer in that space. nor have I ever dealt with one. Being a first generation college student and now a first generation law student hopefully, I have been introduced to things that I may not have learned through the undergrad process. And so this opportunity gave me and my mom the opportunity to learn some things for free that we may not have ever learned. So I'm very grateful for this conference.
My name is Catherine Sims. I graduated from St. John's University and I am a teacher in Dallas. So I came to the conference and I actually met Micah here last night, Thursday night at the law school tour, because I wanted to kind of demystify the process of applying to law school and also to learn about what the experience was like, specifically for Black people. That's all I want to say.
Wonderful. I'm Micah Cawthorn. I'm a junior at the Evergreen State College, and I decided to come all the way out here to New York because I realized that there's nothing more empowering than being around a group of like-minded individuals, and I found that let alone I was able to meet someone who is equally like-minded but who aspires to be a great lawyer and has made the decision to be impactful. So that is the best takeaway.
Absolutely. So I think it was the welcoming session yesterday when Judge Glenda Hatchett shared her story about her experience in clerking for, I think it was the very first Black circuit judge in the state of, I want to say it was Georgia, but I could be wrong. But her story was so powerful because she shared how she got to sit at the feet of her elders and learn, and how she felt like she had the responsibility to pay it forward, and that's why she was here with us. So I felt like just all the love that she poured into us and everybody else that's on all the panels, it was so real and authentic, and they told us really what to expect and also our responsibility now that we're here and have this knowledge of how we now can go to law school, get these careers, and pay it forward as well.
Right, just like that. There's nothing more empowering for a community than to give back, and that's probably the lesson that's rung true throughout the entire conference. So if you are willing to engage with the events here, then you are also willing to engage with the process of giving back. And once again, there's nothing more empowering than building community in that way.
And coming here, there were a lot of Black people from every school that I was actually interested in, and I appreciated seeing the diversity that the schools did have. The panels were amazing, and the interviews and the networking, and it was just so many people here who helped me out, gave me their information. I feel like I have a step in the door. I'm not so much in there yet, but I'm definitely a little bit in the door, and I feel like this conference definitely helped me.
Well, my name is Aaron Drake, and I'm a senior at the University of Alabama, double majoring in history and communication studies. And I came to this conference because it's a great resource. I get to meet other aspiring attorneys, and I get to meet attorneys who are where I want to go, who's already been through what I'll have to go through for the law school admission process and law school journey. And it gives you hope. It lets me know that I can do this, and I believe that we will become what we see. And every time we come to this conference, we see other excellent Black lawyers and Black legal professionals. So I feel like everybody interested in even thinking about going to law school should definitely attend one of these conferences. The conference is really impactful. It's a source of encouragement, motivation. It's a resource. You get this insider knowledge. It's crucial that we know these things because so many people just don't know how to go about applying to law school or what law school really entails. And this conference gives us an opportunity to learn these things before we embark on this journey. So it's really impactful.
My name is Charles Hamilton Houston III. I am Assistant General Counsel with ABM Industries Incorporated. I'm pleased to be here today to speak to the National Blackprelaw Students Conference. I think it's a monumental event for aspiring Black law students to be able to come here and meet with and talk to and get to know Black lawyers nationwide, and to have the benefit of our wisdom and our experience, and allow us to talk to them about the path and the struggles that they're going to encounter, and to assure them that in fact it can be done and that they will make it, and to make myself available to young law students or young aspiring law students to help them in the ways that I've been helped throughout my career. I think we all have a duty to give back. I think we all have a duty to be social engineers, and it's my pleasure to be here.